If you're in electronics manufacturing, you know the feeling, right? Production is humming along, but somewhere in the back, an operator is lost in a maze of shelves, just hunting for a single reel of components. That little search costs time, it costs money, and it introduces a ton of risk. But what if you could just eliminate that entire problem? What if you could make that whole process 8 times more efficient? Well, let's dive into how that transformation actually happens, taking you from that old-school manual warehouse to a truly smart factory floor. You know, this one image really tells the whole story. On the left, you've got the traditional SMT warehouse. It's cluttered, a bit chaotic, and it totally relies on someone's memory and a bunch of manual checks. But on the right, you see the smart warehouse. It's clean, organized, and it's guided by light and data. The difference here isn't just about looking nice. It's a fundamental leap in how you get work done, both in productivity and in accuracy. So let's really dig into that daily struggle for a minute. The thing about the manual warehouse is that it's not just one single problem, it's a whole collection of frustrating, efficiency-killing challenges that just build on each other over time. And if you've ever managed a production line, these are going to sound very, very familiar. What's so wild is how all these problems feed into each other. It all starts with being prone to errors. I mean, grabbing the wrong part can shut down an entire line, causing these massive delays. So that forces you to rely on your most skilled, experienced operators. But even the best people are still human, and that constant pressure just leads to burnout. Because of all this, your delivery efficiency is low, because finding, picking, and then verifying every single reel is just a slow, manual grind. And then there's the nightmare of managing tail stock. You know, all those partially used reels that are just a huge headache. All of this boils down to one thing: so much wasted time just searching for parts. Okay, so let's take this out of the theoretical and into the real world. We're going to look at a typical profile of a modern electronics manufacturing services provider, or EMS provider. This is exactly the kind of company that builds the complex electronics that we all depend on every single day. So just picture this company. They're running 5 SMT lines, which is a pretty serious operation. They're working with super demanding industries, think aerospace and telecom, where mistakes are just not an option. They're already using a powerful ERP system like SAP to manage the business side of things. But here is their core challenge. How in the world do they scale up production to meet growing demand while still maintaining those absolute top-tier quality standards? That manual warehouse we just talked about, that's their single biggest bottleneck. And that, right there, brings us to the solution. The hero of our story isn't some giant, complicated robot. It's a really targeted, really intelligent piece of tech, the SMT Reel Rack. This is all about introducing a fundamentally smarter way to manage your materials right where you need them. What's so transformative is just how simple this new workflow is. First, the request for a part comes straight from the central system, your ERP or MES. Second, instead of searching around, the rack itself just lights up. An LED guides the operator to the exact spot. It's a classic pick-to-light system. And third, the operator just scans the reel. That scan instantly verifies it's the right part and automatically updates your inventory in real time. No more guesswork, no more manual data entry. It's that simple. You know, this whole process is a perfect example of this amazing concept called Poka-Yoke. It's a Japanese term, and it literally means mistake-proofing. The whole idea isn't to train people to stop making mistakes. It's to design the system so that it's nearly impossible to make a mistake in the first place. If an operator tries to grab a reel from a slot that isn't lit up, the system knows. If they scan the wrong part, the system flags it immediately. You're designing the errors right out of the process. And here's the kicker. This is what makes it so powerful in a modern factory. This isn't some standalone island of technology. It's designed to be the physical hands of your factory's central brain, your ERP system. So for a company like our example, running SAP, this seamless integration means the inventory data is always accurate, from the warehouse all the way to the finance department. Now, this all sounds great in theory, but what does it actually mean for the bottom line? Okay, let's get to the numbers, because this is where you can see the real quantifiable impact of making this one change. Let's start with kitting, gathering all the components for a production run. What used to take 2 full hours of painstakingly searching and verifying parts now takes just 15 minutes. That is not a small improvement. That is a complete game changer for your production scheduling and your overall efficiency. Let me put that another way for you. That's an 8 times increase in efficiency for just this one task. Just imagine what your team could actually do with all that time they just got back. This is how you unlock completely new levels of productivity without just throwing more people at the problem. And the benefits don't stop with time. Let's talk about one of the most valuable things in any factory: floor space. By moving to a high-density, intelligent storage system like this, manufacturers are saving up to 40% of their material storage footprint. In a growing facility, that's extra space you can use for a whole new production line, not just more shelves. So how is that 40% saving even possible? Well, it's because each of these racks is incredibly dense and efficient. A single unit can store up to 1,400 individual material reels. Think about that. That amazing density means you can replace entire rows of bulky, disorganized shelving with just a few highly organized, intelligent racks. And finally, let's look at that task that everybody dreads: the full inventory check. The old manual process, counting every single reel by hand, can literally take a team 2 full days, shutting down other operations. With a smart rec system where the inventory is always live and accurate, that same check can be done in just 2 hours. The labor savings from that alone are just massive. So, what this all adds up to is something way bigger than just better shelves. Adopting this kind of technology is really a strategic decision. It's about taking a real, tangible step away from the old way of doing things and moving your operations firmly into the era of Industry 4.0. And that's really the big takeaway from all of this. What we've been looking at isn't just a piece of equipment. It's a building block. It's one of those foundational steps you take to create a truly connected, data-driven, and error-proof factory. The kind of operation that builds incredible trust with top-tier clients and really defines that vision of Industry 4.0. So I'll just leave you with this question to think about. When you look at your own operations, at your own factory floor, is it truly ready for the future of manufacturing? Or when things get busy, is it still stuck in the past, just searching for parts?